Hi! Today I'm going to show you how to make the steamed tricolored egg with tofu and shrimp. The tricolored egg refers to regular egg, preserved century egg, and salted egg, so 3 types of egg. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of other yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients now. Full recipe is in description underneath the video. Prepare water for steaming or preheat your steam oven. Mix 1 teaspoon salt with 300 grams of water. We are using 350 grams, like half package of smooth tofu here. Soak in salt water for 15 minutes. Peel and devein the shrimps. This kind of shrimp is already deveined. Wash and wipe dry the shrimps. Add 1/8 teaspoon each of salt and white pepper and marinate for 15 minutes. Peel the salted egg. Peel the century egg now. Cut both eggs into small pieces. Like this. Add unsalted chicken stock and water into the eggs. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk to combine. Pour the egg mixture into a strainer to sieve twice. To ensure the egg mixture is smooth, without the thick egg white strings. Wipe dry the tofu now. Cut it in half first, then slice it into 1/4 inch thick pieces. Place the tofu pieces on a shallow plate. Put shrimps on top of tofu. Then sprinkle the century egg and salted egg pieces on. Try to scatter more evenly. Pour the egg mixture in. Cover the plate with 1 large piece of aluminum foil. Secure the foil tightly. Steam for around 15 to 18 minutes at medium-high heat. Remove the egg from heat and remove the tin foil. Sprinkle the green onions on and pour 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. An excellent dish to serve with rice. The smooth and yummy steamed tricolored egg with tofu and shrimp is now ready to serve. Enjoy!